Hi, this is Chuck Martin at the AI Summit in New York City. I'm happy to say I've got with me today Dharmesh Godha, President and Chief Technology Officer at Advaiya Solutions. Welcome.
Thank you, Chuck.
So you were on a panel yesterday. Tell me about that.
Oh, the panel was basically talking about like how we can make AI real for the business. There's a lot of hype around AI, there's a lot of buzzwords that are coming up, but there's always a question about like how do we make it actually executable in real business and how businesses can start adopting those kinds of things and make a difference for themselves.
So what's the answer to that question?
It is, the way I portray that kind of thing is like consider AI as a building block. It's not something that is going to like change your business model per se. Think about your business model is your business model, but use AI as part of your acceleration engine, as AI as a part of your optimization engine, AI as a building block for building your solutions that can actually enhance your productivity, your team's performance, your output speed, things like that. Work on those and consider AI as part of your tool set, as a building block, and get to a moment where AI can start influencing your core business as well. But don't try to boil the ocean day one, try to change your business model day one just because there's an AI and you just want to incorporate AI in your business model. Think gradually, build it up to the point where yes, there are core components of your business that can also be taken over by AI.
So where does a business start then?
Business need to look at the platform solutions that are available. They need to look at low-hanging fruits where they can actually start implementing and consuming the AI. One thing that I kind of focus around is like, first thing is start adopting things. Think about like how people can still adopt the solutions that are there already. Then start thinking about how you transform those solutions to build for you and get into your domain and get into your industry, get into your kind of business model. So kind of gradually build towards that.
So is it more about automation or something else?
It is a little bit about automation. It is a bit about predictiveness. It is a bit about being prepared for what is coming next kind of thing. So it is a bit of everything, but primarily, you need to think about areas where you can actually use AI to do a lot of your automation, a lot of your back-end work that needs to happen.
So where does generative AI fit? I mean, a year ago, it wasn't even on the table.
True, and we talked about this, like, hey, what is my message a year before and what will be, what is the message now? A year before, when we talked about these kinds of AI and thinking about kind of revolutionary AI solutions, it was very difficult. It was costly, hardware were not there, there was lack of expertise around, but now, if you think about within last 11 months, the way the transformation has happened, whether it is generative AI or the regular AI, they all have come together and the platforms have made those solutions available to you. There's OpenAI, there's Lambda, there's Azure AI stack, all of those things are available that you can start using and consuming and create solutions around. Or you can start consuming as is when Microsofts of the world are coming up with the AI inbuilt solutions like Copilots of the world. It's easier for you to adopt it, start using it, and take advantage of those.
So to you, what's the most exciting part of all this?
For me, it's the most exciting part is awareness. People are now aware about AI, which people were not. A year back, it was a remote science or a kind of a rocket science, and it's like it's for NASA to work on AI. But now AI has become mainstream. Now it is people are recognizing. We have this big conference over here, and you have got more than 3,000 people attending this conference. It's kind of highlighting that people are now aware of AI, and it is becoming a mainstream. It's not no longer a remote topic that you actually need to find an appointment on CEO's calendar like for 6 months later. Now, CEO is paying attention to it. He'll give you an appointment tomorrow to work on AI solutions.
So in this market, we're in New York City, we've had more than 3,000 people come through here. Why are that many people interested all of a sudden?
It is whatever has happened in recent past has created enough buzz around AI. people got to know like, okay, this is a major thing that is coming in. There is a scare part of it, which I don't agree with. Like people are scared about how AI can take away people's job and transform the whole business. I don't buy that kind of thing, because in every technology revolution, things come in, it doesn't replace the job, it kind of enhances the job, it kind of creates new opportunity for doing new things, it frees up your mind from the day-to-day things into come up with the new innovative things. So things are transforming in that way. So people are recognizing the value of AI, people are recognizing that it is something that they have to embrace, otherwise they will be left behind. So there is a bit of FOMO, bit of new thing they want to learn, so that's why people are here.
So a year from now, we're sitting here having this conversation. What would we be talking about then?
That's very difficult to predict. I mean, who knew a year back that we'll be talking about generative AI today? But I have a feeling that it will be a lot more, like business AI will come in. A lot more talk about AI in actuality, like instead of a concept, it will be more solutions built on AI, more sales solution built on AI, more marketing solutions built on AI. Instead of just talking about content generation, we are going to talk about content generation in context. We will be talking about content generation for marketing, content generation for sales. It will be we'll be getting domain specific. I strongly believe that there will be a lot of platform players who will be coming in. There will be a lot more co-pilot kind of products will be out in the market, and we have a different vendor structure over here.
Well, I look forward to that conversation.
Absolutely.
Thank you. This is the AI Summit.